Hi, my name is Dr. Edward Alf. I have a practice in Fresno, California. I've been doing business with Mr. Coates for about 5 years now, and I'm not being paid for this. I'm doing this specifically because I'm happy with the services I've had, and I like to share when somebody does a great job. Um, Basically, in the 5 years that I've been doing business with Mr. Coates, I have had, like we all have had, lots of attorneys who want to cut your bill anywhere from 50 to 66% half the time. And it's just unacceptable. So Mr. Coates comes along and he negotiates for you, and on average, he has gotten me $1,700 more per case that I've had problems with. Sometimes more, sometimes less, but an average of $1,700 a case. So definitely makes my life a lot easier. You know as well as I do, you call these attorneys and they cry the blues, and you write letters back and forth, and you end up spending all this time, and you get a couple extra bucks, but how much time have you wasted? With this, I send Mr. Coates the lien that he designed. I send that, which is signed by the attorney and the patient and myself. And I send him that. I send him the patient's bill, and I send him a little cheat sheet that I do up where the attorney tells me how much he makes and everything else. And I send that to Michael, and if he needs a little something else, he'll let you know. But basically, I send those things off to him, and I'm done. He takes care of it. All you get to do is read some of the emails that he sends back and forth to these attorneys who get mad because you use an attorney, which makes me laugh because they are attorneys. But he sends these emails, and sometimes he kicks them in the teeth pretty hard because they get really nasty and stupid. So it's kind of fun to see that and see how he doesn't give them any leeway. And it's funny when they tell you there's nothing else they can get, and then all of a sudden he gets you an extra $1,700. It's worth it. And after all these years, all I can say is you'd be better off working with him. And he's a great attorney and a good friend.